YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi, my Sagittarian friends, welcome to Healing Souls. And in my last reading, which I made for all of my friends on Healing Souls, all zodiac signs, I forgot to include my Sagittarius friends, so I'm making this separate video, especially for my Sagittarius friends. And so a link of this video is also going to be attached in that video, the one I have made for weekly predictions for all of the zodiac signs. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarian friends. And this reading is timeless, so whenever you happen to click on the link from that particular time, for a time frame of say 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. So some of my Sagittarius friends, I feel, have been feeling very tired, have been doing a lot of work. Might be in past it has been like that, or in the coming week I see them working a lot. So I see that my Sagittarius friends have been very stressed about a situation. It can be a certain business opportunity, a work opportunity, or financial manifestation that they are seeking for themselves, or might be for their partner, and they are seeking a lot many opportunities of this financial manifestation, job, work, or a profession. And I see them being very stressed about it. They are considering many options at present, what kind of business, profession, or work they should be joining in, which can bring them some kind of financial benefit. I feel that is the concern on their mind. And in the coming week I see you working a lot. There's a lot of workload on you, and you've been advised to share this work burden with somebody, your subordinates, or might be a help at home. And I see you feeling very abundant. Yes, there is an opportunity of financial manifestation, might be a manifestation of a business profession that is about to start for you in the coming week. And in order to finalize this project, or the various options that are there on your mind, or might be for your partner, I see you are being very busy, stressed, might be. So the coming week I see you working a lot, and this can be with regard to a construction work at home also. For some of my friends, it is possible that there is construction work that is happening at home, which is causing them some kind of frustration also, or might be there is a health issue of a family member who might be older, a father-in-law, or mother-in-law, or mother. That could be a concern for you in the beginning. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday energy, I feel that you're feeling a lot of stress in your mind, body, and soul. You're doing a lot of work. There's a lot of work to be completed. Now this can be in your profession area or in your work area. It can be literally that a certain construction is taking place in your home, or you are wishing to build on a business or a profession that is really taking your time and energy. From Wednesday, Thursday towards the end of the week, I see that you come back into your balanced energies, and now you have started enjoying your life thoroughly at home, as well as making some money also, some kind of an opportunity or financial benefit has come to you. And so you this tense situation that you were having some sleepless nights also, or might be you were having headaches also, that situation is going to end from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Towards the end of the week, I see that you're taking good care of yourself. You're looking very beautiful, very handsome. Might be you're visiting parlors. Might be you are deciding to change your hair color or do something like that. A lot of grounding, stability, some kind of a work in your gardens, in your home, I feel is happening for you. Towards the mid towards the end of the week, you're thoroughly enjoying your work life and your home life. There is a card of good news, dear friends. So it's a very blissful, blessed week for you, wherein I feel a lot of healing is coming towards you. If you were feeling some kind of headaches or body aches, I see that there is a healer around you, or might be you can take healing from our YouTube channel. And these healings are absolutely going to help you come out of this situation of headaches and body aches. I see that your third eye chakra, crown chakra, as well your root chakra needs healing. And when you're going to take all chakra healings from our YouTube channel, you are going to feel blissful and you're going to come back into your energies. There is a good news coming for my dear friends. I'm very happy. Broom, wow, new home, new attitude. Yes, exactly. I was feeling that there is a construction plan or something with regard to your home or a business, or might be expansion in your home or something, some kind of a decoration that you want to do. So this is a blissful news coming with, it can be with regard to a movement also, or somebody coming in your home, or might be you are decluttering your home in the coming week. So new home, new attitude is a very, very beautiful card for you. And dear friends, you can uplift your energies with affirmations in the coming week. They say to uplift, to lift up your thoughts and energy, and to attract what you desire. Use positive affirmations. This is very, very beautiful, dear friends. Use positive affirmations like I am healthy, I am happy, I am a money magnet, I am prosperous, I am enjoying my life, I enjoy all the pleasures of life. These affirmations, if you will say first thing in the morning when you get up and sit in your bed and say these affirmations about yourself: I am beautiful, I am charming, I am attracting all of the abundance of the universe, you are going to raise your vibrations. I'm going to check one more card as a bonus because I missed on you. So let's see what's another guidance. Do some research. So with regard to these new projects or business opportunities or the career that you want to pursue, might be these home options that you're seeing, they say do some research, and they say you need more information about this situation. Look into it further before proceeding. So might be you can come in contact with some people who are agents and who can guide you more on this. I see a lot many options for you around this situation, wherever you want to invest your money. So you are being guided to do some research. So I wish you all the best. It's a very beautiful, blissful week. It is a week of karmic rewards. Definitely you are putting in your hard work and a cycle is completing for you. It is a workaholic week for you. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes, and I'm happy that a good news is coming towards you. I feel that there were situations around you which were making you frustrated in past, and you're coming out of that pent up energy, and affirmations can really help you uplift your energies. Wishing you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Sagittarius friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Thank you very much.